What's up everyone, welcome to Profit Ada. So today exactly I'm going to talk about this Fires API. Okay, so starting of this 2020 I got a mail regarding this Fires API. Okay, before that one of my client told about that Fires is offering this API. Okay, and we exactly created an application for that. Okay, you need to create an application which is already, if you log in that one, okay, you definitely get so many of menu bars where exactly an API dashboard Fires dot in will be there. Okay, so from that you can create an application like as you do with Zerodha. Okay, now Zerodha, what happens, charges to create an application, like if you are active, so it will be around 2000 rupees to activate your API key for placing orders and all. Okay, but in this case of Fires API, they offers absolutely free of cost. Okay, so you can like create an application, but in this case what happens, first of all, when my client has been created and with the help of first we started, okay, usually what happens, they require some when queries from you, they require some answers from you, why exactly you are creating and what do you want to do. Okay, so these are the questions will be there, they exactly ask, and it is like get some tedious process. But right now what happens, initially when I opened my account at starting of this 2020, okay, so if you go with any of this one, what happens, they have been forwarded this some of the link and forms, so I just filled it out, and what happens, I can create my application earlier itself, but it will be in an idle or inactive process. And after that, when I applied, after some days, when I see my in this main dashboard, it is like very much active. Okay, so I must say that previous it was tedious, but it was right now it was not so much tedious. Okay, so you can apply for the Fires trading account and then you can go for the API. Okay, so I can help in this process very much easy. Okay, if you open this Fires account, okay, under my referral, and you open an account, and if you come, so I already in description I've given my WhatsApp link. Okay, so you can visit that link, or you can just go through that number and come to my WhatsApp if you require that API to be active. Okay, I just can forward those forms, so you just fill it up and I can help you to get your API and also help you in your setup. So mainly you can follow for this setup purpose, you can follow this algorithm or say code process. Okay, and you can can place your orders and do whatever you want. Okay, so for to get an account, all you have to do is like go for the link, visit my website. Okay, there will be a Fires page will be there. Okay, give your name, email address and mobile and go for the proceed. And after that, you can, if you have Aadhaar card and PAN card with you which is linked to your mobile number, so give that number and proceed with that one, and you can easily open an instant account, and from that one you can get an API as well for that process. Okay, so which I can definitely can help you in this segment. So try to open an account, and in which Fires team also will help you in this part. Okay, and if you face any issues or problem, you can come to my WhatsApp and I can surely help you to get your account as well as API. Okay, so let's proceed further. So I just talking about, so in this presentation I just want you to brief out those things for you. Okay, right now I just want to show you, because exactly they, whatever the documentation they got, they exactly described about this Python, and you can go for the JavaScript as well as the REST. Okay, REST means, as this is HTTP protocols will be there, where exactly exactly what send, get, update, all this stuff will be there. So exactly from this they have been prepared a module. Okay, Python, in Python, where exactly they said how you can proceed further. So I'm gonna I just take it each and everything from here. I'll just show you how you can create an application. Okay, so you can you can take it out this stuff. Okay, it will make easy to process out this stuff. And for this I will definitely gonna give you the code link in the description which you can follow. Okay, so what happens to create an application, you can follow this API docs. Okay, their Fires API docs dot fires.in. okay, so you can just while creating an app, if you just got an account, okay, and right now you can visit. So first of all you have to open an account, then after login there will be like dashboard will be there, okay, or otherwise you can visit like API dashboard.fires.in, which I will definitely going to show you what are the status, what I've been done for my redirect URL. okay, so here what I've been done is like for my redirect URL, I've been took this API docs fires.in. you can do it whatever you want to redirect URL, even you can paste the HTTP local host itself. okay, just app your name, you can give your name as well, and description like you can say I am doing a programmatic trading. okay, so that's the way you can give, or otherwise you can give as a test, not a problem. So create an app, and after that these details will be there, so you can visit, these details will be there where exactly you have been created and modified, any things will be there. okay, so these are the app details will be there, but a main, if you visit that one, and status will be there that it is an approved status, and the status, if it is approved, then you are easy to go for these things. okay, so right now what happens, API ID will be there and secret ID will be there. okay, so for this is your API key and secret key, as we saw in our Zerodha. so in these things all I'm gonna utilize their code where exactly they have been given. okay, so I'm gonna go for these things and try to do it whatever I want. okay, so they have been already described very well. okay, you can just move on and just try to copy and do it by yourself, not a problem. okay, and from my website also you can visit and try to copy this stuff and it will work. So all you have to do is like you have to get your pip install. so you in CMD you can visit wherever your means your profile is there, means your Python is there, you can visit whatever your Python. okay, so all you have to do is like pip install fires underscore API, that's it. okay, and it will get installed. okay, so that's it. If you do this stuff, since I have already installed, so it will say that requirement already satisfied. so after when it's get done, okay, all you have to do is like follow the algorithm process. okay, and you can do from this as well. okay, so this is very much simple process. so I'm gonna go with the code right now. okay, before that I'll show you my this application. okay, so as you can see, this is my application where exactly I've been given this redirect URL, so whichever you want you can do. so for my this is reference purpose. so if I just got my this ID, whatever authorization I got, the session I got, okay, so response, so from response I'm generating an access token. It is very much simple. okay, so all you have to do from Zerodha, what happens, you have to go for the request token, then access token. In this what happens, easily you can, if you just paste a URL, you will launch, you will get an access token straight away, which you can utilize for your trading purpose. okay, so this is the way I will definitely gonna show you. so this is the way I will get. so this is my app name, okay, which yours also will be there. so all you have to do is like visit API dashboard.fires.in, okay, /dashboard. so you can create an application as there. well, okay, if you visit there, it will definitely ask for to create an application, it will be there. so status will be there, you can create an application, but what happens if it is not approved, you are not able to trade. so forms will be there. okay, so just go over there, link, okay, fill it out and your status will be approved. so from you require an app ID and secret ID, which we will definitely gonna utilize in our code, and I'm gonna show you. so as you can see, like starting of this 2020, like as I said, I've been created, I got this account and I'm utilizing it. so that's the way you can go for yourself as well. okay, just paste it out, this stuff, name, whatever you want, and this is the way you can delete or create whatever you want. You otherwise you can edit. so these are the things which you can do it for yourself. okay, so try and go for it, and all of the things it is available in API Docs, how you can proceed. so please go for it, okay, and try by yourself. so as you can see, my installation is done. see, it's already said that I already have this stuff. okay, so you can close this stuff, and right now we will proceed to our app authorization. so you straight away you can copy, or you can follow my process. so I just show you, I'm just give you a presentation. So after installation, what happens, you will definitely gonna receive this module, okay, which will be access token will be there, files model will be there. So in this access token, what happens, there will be code will be there where exactly give an access to an algorithm where exactly you can get a response. From response, you just paste over your browser, and thus from request token you can absolutely can get this stuff. I'll show you how I am doing this stuff. Okay, so what happens, I'll got an API ID and API secret. As I've been followed this code in my this Python, same as I did, I just created an .txt folder saying as an app ID and app secret, in which I've been stored my app ID and app secret, which I got from my this API dashboard. Okay, so from there you can copy an code and paste it here in your app ID and app secret, and which we will definitely gonna utilize in our code. Okay, so this is I've been already done. Okay, I've been already pasted each and everything from this API docs itself, and I'm gonna show you how easily you can utilize and what are the sessions and how you should follow. So carefully watch this stuff and you will be easy to get your session, and then you are able to place orders whichever you want. Okay, so all you have to do is like you have to go for this two modules, which is an access token, and after that files model, what happens, you can utilize to get a profile, place orders. Okay, you can do a lot of stuff. Okay, so what happens, you just have to name your app ID, which is you have to call in the .txt, and you have to say about which is this is my app ID and my secret ID. Please combine this the stuff, an algorithm will be there, will definitely gonna combine this stuff, and after that one you will get a response from this authorization. Okay, after getting that response, a message will be there, okay, which you can follow. So it is very much simple. After this code, you have to say print response. Okay, so here some I say if you'll copy this also, there is some if you go for this ideally, what happens, you should print response for that stuff. So that's only you can see this message, and message will be this way. Okay, and authorization code will be there, and how you can follow this stuff I'm going to show you. Okay, so all you have to do is so generally this is my ID and secret. Okay, if you got your ID secret which is approved, and just simply copy this stuff and say print response. So what happens, and code will be get generated. So this is my authorization code. Okay, so right now what happens, after this starting of single comment and end before of single comment, just copy this stuff. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do with Zerodha itself. Okay, I have to go for this request token, then access token. But in this case, what happens, it is very much simple. Say I've been already logged in, or say I've been already authorized for this web browser. What happens, just a program will be there. So this is my generate token. So a URL is there. So I'm gonna show you where exactly they have been given this URL. From this API docs, it is very much easy to follow. But what are the things you have to carry from this itself? You should go for it. Okay, so this is the way exactly I am going. So if you instead of getting this straight away calling for generate access token or something, so what happens, they will generate this way. Okay, they will give your app ID each and everything. So instead of this generating this code, you can neglect this code, and what happens, you can just copy this URL, and in this URL what happens, you just copy out this URL and get it in a notepad. And this simple, after this getting message, what you have to do, from this you have to copy. Okay, and in URL where exactly some after this authorization code, just simply copy those stuff. Okay, which app ID is also there, so paste it here, whatever you got response from your console ideally, and paste it here. Okay, and paste your app ID here. Okay, you can paste your app ID, which you no need to change, it will be constant, only this will be changes every time. So after and this one, okay, app ID equals app ID, it will be constant, and this R will be constant, and after that only changes will be there, will be this. Okay, so just paste it over there, over here. So this is my previous one, so new one I will just paste it. Okay, so here I've been pasted whatever I got. So as you can see, W. Okay, so W, it is last of mine, this letter. So W is here, and app ID will be there. So I just go for it, and no single comment and nothing else. Okay, it will be simple as stuff, simple as it is shown here. Okay, so you just have to neglect this code, it is not required here. Okay, because all you have to do is like you have to go for the copy paste itself. Okay, so just do it, save this stuff and say Control A, Control C. Okay, and if you paste it in browser, what happens, it will generate and so my API docs will be there. Okay, each and everything, API docs will be there and access token will be there, and from up to what happens, see what happens, what you have to carry, access token equals from after equals whatever is there, just copy it and you have to leave this ampersand whatever user ID. Okay, so just you have to copy this equal also. Okay, it is also very much required. Okay, from starting I was like, when I tried, like I just neglect this equal, so what happens, I am unable to do whatever I want. Okay, so you have to carry this stuff, and in simple what happens after this getting this access token, so this is your access token instead of request token. So get in your code, so simply you have to follow this code. Okay, so what happens, after getting this response, okay, you can like get for this you can like close it. Okay, and you can right now only required our everything goes with our fires model itself. Okay, and even you can neglect this stuff also as well. Okay, so in this token what happens, just paste it, that's it. This is your access token which you can like generate, and equal will be there. So this is very much important, you have to follow, you don't have to neglect this equal. So up to equal just copy, start from equal, starting from that one. Okay, and after that whatever comes, just copy it and it will be your access token. Okay, and they have been beautifully explained here, so you can follow from this one. Okay, so this is your access token which you got. Okay, token, your access token, just paste it whatever you got and go for it. Okay, so in front of yours I will show you. So I've been like pasted my this one, and I've been called my fires, which I have to say is like, first of all I have to say whatever it is there, I've been not neglecting anything after that one. So for asynchronous is equals false, and what I have to do is like I have to mention for this fires model. Okay, so I have to say about this fires, as we say kite dot place order underscore alias dot, so all of the things it is like same as we mentioned about the fires. So from this fires model each and everything I can carry. So now it is very much simple. So I've been for placing this fires orders, I've been just copied straight away whatever there. Okay, and we can place it whatever you want. Okay, so for order placement there are some codes are there, they're exactly not, you have to mention each and everything. Okay, so from this from like if you go with this, you can start with like getting profile and say fires dot get underscore profile token equals token, so your token is recognized and you can do whatever you want. So like it is now an HTTP request type. Okay, get, send, okay, post, delete, so whatever the things you can go. So this is the way you can go. So get profile, place order. Okay, so this is the way you can go. You can check your funds. Okay, you can get your profile, check your fund from with this one. So all you have to do is like print close under bracket, what happens means like this open and close bracket, under this you can place this stuff, token equals token, because already you mentioned about the token, and if you place this one you will get this message type. Okay, so you can follow the profile, follow the fund. Okay, and you can check your holdings as well, whatever the holdings are there. Okay, so it is very much simple right now, and after that there's JSON will be there. So exactly I have been already shown in my videos how exactly you can follow the JSON and you can take it out whatever you want. Okay, so you can get holdings, what are the trading symbols are there, you can visit. Okay, so this is the way you can go. Okay, so holdings you can check. So right now we will definitely gonna place the order, so all you have to do is like copy this stuff and go for the print statement. Okay, so this is the way they are exactly going with the exchange and trading symbol. So right now you have to mention this code. Okay, so they have been mentioned, symbol is okay, quantity for you have to say QTY, type like it will be type will be there. So exactly like which is limit order or market order. Since I'm going for the market order, so I will choose as a 2, which is already type 2. Okay, side 1, whether you want to go for the buy and sell. For the buy and sell, all you have to say is like +1 -1. Okay, so if you remember all of the code whichever we go for placing orders, all of the things which we have to mention, so this is the way you can go for it. Okay, so please mention each and everything and go for it and your order will get placed. Okay, so if you are going for the intraday, just product type intraday will be there. So they have already mentioned whatever the things you should mention for this purpose. Okay, for cover order CO, for bracket order BO, limit price you can go for like default will be 0, and whatever you want to put you can go for this stuff. So limit price, stop price, where exactly you have to go, each and everything. Okay, and for offline order, this is the way you can go. Okay, so these are the things which you can follow, which will definitely gonna talk about further in my video. Okay, so right now we will straight away go and place the order. Since I already copy pasted each and everything and it's satisfied, because I need to place and market order. Okay, and whatever the things I need to go, I can go. So instead of this one, I can choose whatever I want. I just can say Tata Motors. Okay, and I can place the order whichever I want. So it is intraday, and we will see whether we can place or not. Okay, so I have been already logged in my account. I will try to place. So as you know, it is successfully placed, and here, so as you can see, my order is placed. It is in buy side. Okay, so these are the things which you can see. Okay, so position 1 is already going on. So Tata Motors I bought. So this is the way you can go. So net quantity 1 is there. Okay, so these are the things are there. So you already market order have been placed. So these are the things which I got. Okay, so this is the way you can visit and can check off yours what exactly going on. So this is the realized P&L, unrealized. So this is very much easy right now for you to follow this stuff. Okay, so please go ahead and can utilize this Fires API. Okay, so just follow the process and you can get the help of Fires. Okay, and see to that, and if possibilities are there, okay, you can get the Fires API for this by just going through the online by today itself. Okay, and just follow my link, have an account. Okay, get an API, and if you are facing an issue, please do come to my WhatsApp. We'll definitely gonna help. Okay, and these codes are available, please go through it, and you can surely can go for this stuff. Okay, and one more thing is there, just I will definitely gonna paste this code into my website. Please do follow it and generate your access token and go for it. And already each and everything is available. So if you just copy this stuff and try by in your idly, that is also good. Okay, and do whatever you want. Okay, and if you don't have an account, please follow the link. Okay, and you can definitely can take the support of Fires team. Okay, and say suppose if you opened an account under my referral, okay, and if you are facing an issue, you can come to my WhatsApp, and whoever like if you are already have an account, you can contact to Fires team and they will definitely gonna help you in this matter. Okay, to getting an API approved. Okay, so please go ahead and utilize this stuff. It is very much smooth, very much good. Okay, and one more thing is there which I want to show you. There is a example code is there where exactly I have been found in their in their GitHub pages, where exactly you don't have to follow anything of theirs. So this is like they have been called this web browser for this one, for generating an access token. Okay, so if you already called an app ID or app secret, all you have to do is like simply you have to run this process. Okay, which I will paste it in my website itself, so you can follow. It will be like secondary, it will be very much this one. So as you can say, straight away you got this access token of yours. Just paste it and use it for yours, so you don't have to go for one by one. So if it is already, the code is available which I will paste in my website, so just paste in your idly, just go for it, take it out the token and do whatever you feel like. Okay, and I must say that there each and everything is there. Only the thing is, say suppose one more thing is there, for placing orders and for profile check, each and everything is there. It is free of cost, and you can go for the symbol, transactions info, account information, each and everything is there. But one thing is not available is data. Okay, even I think I didn't seen their WebSocket data as well. Okay, which in case of AllyzBlue it is free of cost. Okay, which is like you can utilize where you can store the data and can get this stuff. Okay, but one more good news is that they are exactly providing this market data, which is exactly, I've been got this mail also for this. They have been linked with this True Data, okay, which in my recommendation you can use it or not, it is up to you, okay. But for this placing orders, each and everything is free, but the data is of cost, okay. So please visit if you want to go for this data as well, okay. But for this data, this is from the third party app, so definitely it is not free of cost, okay. But if anybody like he already in a trading stuff, okay, and in point what happens for this WebSocket also, what you have to do is like you have to store the data and you have to utilize this stuff, and for that you definitely require an VPS. For that you can go for the free service for the Amazon, AWS, and even Google Cloud, and even you can go for my link in the description, which is like for the Linux operating system. If you are aware of the aware about the Linux, so you can follow that also, okay. So that is also from, you can utilize this free credit and can utilize. So from there what happens, you can store the WebSocket data and can utilize. So that's the way you can go, and right now it's up to you how you want to consider for yourself, okay. But there are options are there which you can go, and link is already available in my website, in my pages will be there, okay. So right now for 4 to 5 brokers are offering their API. So I just must say that Allies Blue is one of the best ways they are offering this free of cost, which you can go ahead, okay, and can utilize this at starting. I mean, even like if you already have like some strategy, okay, which you for you really required and data, okay, for the and place orders which you can utilize. And say suppose if you already have data, say some free data which you are utilizing from other resources, and you just want an API to place the order, you can surely can use this Fires API, okay. So it is up to you, there are options are there which you can go. So there is a free of things which you can make for yourself, and some of the things which you can like pay and utilize. So this is one of the things which is recommended which you can go for it and utilize. So it's up to you whether you want to go for Zerodha, Upstox. Each and everything has an like plus and minus point, okay. So you can go for these things, and please do utilize, and up to your requirement, okay. Open an account, and for the if you already have an account Zerodha in Upstox, and I must say that if you need an Fires account, you can go as well, because you will definitely get an diversification. If you are like you can move your money from this broker to this say like this API serves my purpose, and this things serves my purpose, so you can definitely can utilize, okay. So it's up to you, there is nothing plus and minus. So every broker has their own like terms and conditions. So from that one which is like feasible for you, which is like flexible, or which is like I must say that it is good for me, please go for it, okay. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any doubt or queries or any requirements, please do come to my WhatsApp. Thank you.